Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We're going to be learning about computer programming. So if you want to dive into the world of programming and learn how your computers work and to be able to give your computers their own instructions to perform tasks, you are in the right place. We'll be starting our journey together. Hope to see you at the end. What is a computer? Before we talk about computer, let's talk about a machine. Machines are devices that are used to perform a set of predefined and unique tasks. Machines are devices that are used to perform a set of predefined tasks and unique tasks. For example, your vacuum cleaner, it has been programmed, it has been given a set of tasks predefined already, so it can only vacuum, and it is unique because your vacuum cleaner can't do anything aside clean and vacuum. In contrast to computers, on the other hand, are general purpose devices. General purpose machines that can perform any tasks or any computational tasks given a set of instructions. And these instructions is what we call programs. These instructions that are given to the computer to enable it perform any task is called programs, and that's what we are going to learn. All computer tasks are performed through programs. We have system programs and application programs. Your system programs are programs that manage your system programs are programs that manage your hardware resources in your computer, while your application programs are programs that helps you perform your favorite tasks. So you have your system program and you have your application programs. This helps you perform your favorite tasks such as watching movies or playing games, while this helps you to manage your hardware resources. If any of the program cannot do what you want it to do, you can write your own program to do that. That's what we are learning, and we'll get there. A program, as I earlier said, is a set or sequence of instructions used to perform a given task. Now we want to know in what language can we give these instructions to computers. What language does computer understand? Does computer understand natural language, or do they understand other languages? What language does your computer understand? Your natural languages, is it in English? Does your computer understand that? Is it in Igbo? Is it in Hausa? Is it French? Is it Spanish? What language does your computer actually understand? Your computer understands binary language. And binary, bi meaning two. So your computer only understands two logic, so to say, 0 and 1. That is the language your computer understands. And it's fair because computers are designed to use binary since it's an electrical device and it can easily model the idea of zeros and one. 0 and 1, or you can say true or false. You can say it's a measure of current or there is no current. You can also say it's a potential difference across the electrical or your electrical device or your computer. It is easy to model this or create the logic in electrical circuits. That's why binaries are a great way to model computer and give them instructions. Zeros and ones, binaries. Each 0 and each 1 is what we call a bit. So a bit is just a 0 or a 1. So each bit has two values, a 0 or a 1. We can use 0 or we can change this 0 to 1. So using 1 bit, there are only two values we can count up to. That is 0 and 1. The bits can either be a 0 or a 1. If we are to use 2 bits, 0 0, we can count up to 4 values. We can say 0 1, we can say 0 0, we can say 1 0, and we can say 1 1. So this is 1, this is 0, this is 2, and this is 3. So we can count up to 4 values using 2 bits. So in general, In general, with the amount of bits, we can count up to 2 raised to the power of n minus 1 values. And we can count up to 2 raised to the power of n numbers. So for an 8-bit or a 3-bit, we can count up to 8 numbers. 0 to 2 raised to the power of n minus 1. In computer, we start counting from 0. That's why we are starting this count from 0. So you are counting 0 to 2 raised to the power of n minus 1 values. Using this, a modern day machine has up to 64 bits, which is equivalent to 4 bytes. 8 bits is equivalent to 1 byte. So sorry, this is 8 bytes. In our next class, we'll be looking at how computers execute these binary instructions given to them. Thank you.